Hey guys, starting off with MAC Paint Pot and Painterly and doing my eyes first, of course, I am using the brush from my Amazon brush set. I'm then going in with that skin tone color from the Morphe 35P palette and making sure I cover my whole entire lid with it. Then going in with that milk chocolate color from the 35W Morphe palette, I'm going to take a tiny little bit of product, work that on the outer corner, take a little bit of the color again on my brush, and then work on the inner corner, and with no excess product on my brush whatsoever, I am going to connect them and go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. I am then going to be going in with that dark chocolate color from the same palette and do the exact same thing. I find, in my own opinion, that when I start off with darker colors and work my way up to the darkest color, it makes things so much easier for me to blend. And I work with a little bit of product at a time and build it up. I don't just go in with a bunch of product and then try to blend it all out. A tiny little bit. If it's not to my liking, I put a bit more to make it darker, and so on and so forth. Going in with the black color and taking a tiny little bit and doing the exact same thing. I work on the outer corner and take a tiny bit more product, work on the inner corner, and then with no product whatsoever, I connect them and go back and forth in windshield wiper motions and just make sure that it is all blended out. I am taking this a bit higher than I usually would because I want my eyes to look bigger and for you to actually see all of the dark and the glitter that I will have going on. I don't know about you guys, but when you have hooded eyes like I do, at least, I was going to say we do, but I do, it can be hard to show what you have going on and you have such tiny little space to work with, so this really helps. Going in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Glitter Glue, I am then putting it a little bit on the back of my hand and just pushing it on with my ring finger, and then I will do the exact same thing, taking my middle finger and just pushing it up and taking the glitter above my crease, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to go in with that black color again and just kind of work it in. It kind of faded a little bit and I really wanted it to be very dark on the inner and outer corner. I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I'm just going to wipe it off. You can't really see it on camera, but believe me, there was glitter everywhere. It was in my eyebrows, it was under my eyes, it was a hot mess full of glitter. I'm going to prime my face using the Makeup Forever smoothing primer, and I'm just going to rub that all over my skin. And then I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Camoflage palette and just take that green color and just kind of cover up some of my blemishes that I have going on because my skin got really irritated while I was sick. So I am now trying to do my best to cover it all up. Going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage Foundation, I'm just taking a flat synthetic brush and just kind of putting that on my skin. And then I am going to take the L'Oreal Pro Glow Foundation in 201 and take my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge and my Tacha Dewy Mist and spray it. I saw Jaclyn Hill do this in her last video. Honestly, I love Jaclyn Hill. I'm a little iffy on this right now. Maybe if I try a brush, or maybe it was the foundation because she has some crazy next level Dior and Tom Ford stuff, so maybe it was just the foundation that I used. I don't know if I like it, but I am not going to give up on it just yet. I will try different things. Then going in with the Urban Decay Naked Weightless Concealer in light neutral, and I am just going to highlight and conceal under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and the center of my forehead, and then I'm going to blend it out with my Beauty Blender. I am then going to set that with the Rimmel, the Rimmel translucent powder. I don't know why that just stumped me. I'm sorry guys, but the Rimmel translucent powder, I am going to set that, and then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow setting powder and just set the rest of my face. I didn't bother cream contouring or really contouring at all. I'm trying to get away from that, and now I'm just going to bronze up my skin. I'm taking the same black color and just a flat definer brush, and I am just going to push that into my lower lash line. I am then going to be using the milk chocolate color from the same palette and a circular dome brush, and I am just going to smoke that and blend that out. I'm then going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette and the bluish color. And then I am going to take some black eyeliner and push that into my lower waterline. And I think for blush I use the Morphe 9M palette and my little small angular Lexi 504 brush, and just kind of smile and push that onto my cheeks. And the lipstick that I am using is the Maybelline Romantic Rose. It is so pretty and it's super affordable. It's amazing. And that is the makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day, night, lunchtime, wherever you are. Bye, guys.